Good evening, you're watching Channel 6 Network, and I'm Ankita Singh with your 9 pm bulletin. Let's begin with our top stories. Former US President Donald Trump has criticized a $21 million USAID grant to India, calling it a kickback scheme. His remarks have fueled a fresh political battle between the BJP and Congress, with the opposition questioning foreign influence in India's electoral process. Meanwhile, Congress has raised concerns over the deportation of Indian nationals from the United States to Panama amidst an ongoing immigration crackdown. The party has demanded clarity from the government on the well-being of the deportees and the diplomatic efforts being made to assist them. In Delhi, AAP leader Atishi has slammed the BJP for failing to fulfill its election promise of providing Rs. 2,500 in monthly financial aid to women. She pointed out that the scheme was missing from the agenda of the new government's first cabinet meeting, accusing the BJP of breaking its promises. The controversy surrounding the USAID funding has also put former USAID India Mission Director Veena Reddy in the spotlight. As political tensions rise, debates over foreign aid and its impact on India's electoral integrity continue to gain traction. In Jharkhand, a shocking case of elder neglect has come to light. A man locked his ailing mother inside their home to attend the Mahakumbh Mela with his family. She was later rescued by concerned neighbors, bringing attention to the plight of senior citizens left behind during religious events. Moving to sports, India's dominant victory over Bangladesh in the ICC Champions Trophy 2025 opener was overshadowed by empty stands. Sparse attendance at the stadium has reignited concerns about the waning popularity of ODI cricket. In a legal development, popular YouTuber Ashish Chanchlani has approached the Supreme Court, seeking to quash or transfer an FIR lodged against him in Guwahati for alleged obscenity. The case stems from the controversy surrounding his show, India's Got Latent. Former cricketer Sourav Ganguly had a close call today after his car met with an accident on the Durgapur Expressway. Thankfully, he escaped unhurt. The incident has once again raised concerns about road safety and the need for stricter adherence to traffic rules. On the diplomatic front, Union Minister Piyush Goyal has highlighted the growing partnership between India and the United States under Prime Minister Modi and President Trump. Meanwhile, political developments in Delhi continue to unfold, with Rekha Gupta appointed as the new chief minister. In Mumbai, a man from Gorgaon has been sentenced to 10 years in prison for assaulting his minor stepdaughter. The court took into account his medical condition and family circumstances while delivering the verdict. Finally, in Maharashtra, the Special Investigation Team has recorded the statement of BJP MLC Praveen Darekar regarding his allegations of a conspiracy to frame Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis and Deputy CM Eknath Shinde during the previous MVA government's tenure. That's all for tonight's bulletin. Stay tuned to Channel 6 Network for more updates. I'm Ankita Singh, signing off. Good night.